Welcome back to my channel, friends. Today I'm going to share you the recipe of groundnut chutney. So I've just dry fried the groundnuts, roughly remove the skin of it. We require 1 cup of coconut, 1 small size onion finely chopped, 5 dry chilies along with 4 garlic. Now I'm going to add coconut into the jar, the dry chilies and garlic, and I'm going to grind it grossly. Now I have grinded coconut, dry chilies and garlic grossly, and now I'm going to add the groundnut and salt as required. Now I'm going to add water and grind. Now the groundnut chutney is ready. Now the final step for garnishing, I have heated up 1 tablespoon of oil. Now we are going to add the mustard seeds into it. And the curry leaf. Now I have added it into the chutney. Adding onions, the finely chopped onions, and serving it will improve the taste of the groundnut chutney. Thanks for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel, friends, and give me a thumbs up if you like this recipe.